Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How-To Tutorials. If you're looking to free up some space on your Android device or just want to remove apps you no longer use, today's tutorial will show you exactly how to delete apps on your Android phone. So let's get right into it. First, swipe up from the home screen to open your app drawer. This is where all of your installed apps are located. Scroll through the list of apps and find the one you want to remove. Once you have found the app, tap and hold the app icon until a menu appears. Now drag it to the uninstall button. A confirmation pop-up will appear asking if you're sure you want to delete the app. Tap OK to confirm, and the app will be deleted from your device. Alternatively, you can also go to Settings and then tap on Apps and Notifications. Find the app you want to delete. Okay, let me search one. And just tap Uninstall and confirm your choice to delete the app. If the app is pre-installed on your mobile, you won't be able to completely uninstall it, but you can always disable it in the app settings to free up space. And that's it. You have successfully deleted an app from your Android phone. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.